Guys, welcome to the new course. In this course, we're gonna learn by working on the command line. So let's open the small presentation and I'm gonna go over this one. So I've especially kept beginners in mind while I was working on this course, and this is gonna be a great one to start. So if you're looking to get your hands on Unix or Linux systems, and this covers Mac, Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat, and all the various systems, this is the best course for you guys. Just get started and it's gonna be very smart, right? You're gonna love it because I'm gonna cover it from the scratch. As I mentioned that I kept beginners in my mind, it is really from the scratch. So the command line is it's just a text interface for your computer, right? So there is no UI included, no graphical user interface, no fancy stuff, no images and all those things, right? So it's pretty much everything that we do from our graphical interface, the UI. We can achieve everything from the command line, everything from the terminal. So it's a program that takes in the commands that we pass in and it passes to the computer's operating system to run. So from the command line, what you can do is various things. There's no limit, unlimited stuff you can do from command line. It's very powerful. It's really great. So you're gonna see a lot of things. And let's talk about the requirements. Maybe I can switch to the slideshow view. So what requirements do you got? You got nothing to nothing to have. You just want to have a desire to learn this thing. If you desire to learn command line, you're good to go. It's really simple. It might look difficult because of the no UI thing, because everything is just text based and just the terminal, but trust me guys, it's really simple. It's easier than UI sometimes, and it's really efficient and powerful, so you're gonna love it. And what you need, a Mac system or an Ubuntu or a Fedora or any other Unix or Linux based systems like a Red Hat or Oracle Linux or anything. So any Linux Unix based systems, you're good to go. Even if you have Windows and you have your desire to learn, you are good to go, because what we can do is we can install a virtual machine on top of Windows and install a free version, and we can just again proceed with learning the command line. So you don't even need to have a Mac or Ubuntu in order to learn that. What are our objectives for that? We want to get understanding of the fundamentals of the command line. As we know, the command line is also known as terminal. We want to get that. We want to improve the efficiency in various tasks that we do everyday life. So that's covered. We want to learn some tips and tricks, again, improving efficiencies, some shortcuts and how we do that. So that's going to be covered. So this is going to be a pretty great tool, right? Pretty great learning thing, and it's going to be really fun. What are the advantages, right? Command line is completely text based and it's very fast and efficient. That's one of the great advantages. I haven't listed it, I wanted to talk about it. It's the best advantage because it's very fast and efficient, and because of its power, the other advantages are you can run command line from terminal. Sorry, you can run the programs for the from the terminal. All the programs can be run. You can write scripts to automate common tasks. So some things that we are doing in everyday life, you can write small scripts to achieve those things and save your time in daily tasks. So it's gonna be a great thing. And in fact, by combining those small simple commands, you can create some complex scripts and some bigger scripts to handle the complex tasks. So it's gonna be really great. And all these things makes it a great scripting tool. So this course is for Unix or Linux based systems and even Windows. You guys can have fun with it. So it's gonna be fun, guys. Just go ahead and enjoy the lectures, and I'm gonna see you in the next lecture. So thank you so much for attending this one, and we'll cover a lot of things in detail. So thanks guys, see you in the next lectures. Thanks for attending this one.